Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see, guys, here, the daily candle, it's finished here, that red one. So everything's still going as us. We accepted it. We tell you we're going to stay here sideways till Monday. Same thing like how it happened here. I showed it to you in the last video. So the same thing staying here, guys. There is nothing new. And the volume, it show you that. If you remember, people that been with us, we tell you that. And even here, we tell you the same thing here when we used to be here. Then it came the volume and break in here in that place. That the Monday candle, that one. Same thing now happening here, guys. There is nothing new. So till tomorrow or Monday, you're going to see a big volume and you're going to see the market started moving because the weekly candle is going to finish it. I think the picture is too clear. So what should you do, guys? Here, as you see it, we got here a head and shoulder. I showed that to you before, but it's okay to repeat it. I told you when it's breaking here, we came here to that zone here. We calculate it like that and we make it in the place where it's break and we make it like that. So that one is going to go till here, guys, till that place here. No matter what's going to happen here, we are going to go till here. So should you buy, should you sell here in the daily for long-term investment? For long-term investment, forget about all the technical analysis and just they say we are very close to the bottom, guys. You can see it. You go back 2 videos and you watch that video where we show you the monthly candle and everything. You are very, 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 very close. But technical analysis, guys, we tell it that to you before. We tell you we got here that inside bar, that one. As you see it, that one here, that red one, and that green one here. That one, by the way, is the candle of FTX collapse. We tell you that. We tell you we need the market to come and to break here, to go back inside that 17K or 19K, guys. That will when us, we know that one is the bottom. And I'll show you all those things before, but it's okay to repeat it, guys. I show you before, guys, here. What did I told you here about that place? I told you got that zone here. And it's very, very well known pattern of Wyckoff that break here will happen. But we're going to confirm it for us. The market, it's need to come back inside here, guys. If the market came back inside here, that is going to confirm for us that the bottom here. And another thing, look with me very, very close here what I'm going to do. You came like that. You see the trend line we got here? If that one came just and break it, that the bottom 100%. You don't need to wait until the break happen in here. Picture is very, very, very clear, guys. So here, us, we're going to enter only if it came back and break here without even to touch that trend line here. Everything is too clear? By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, written in it, subscribe. You click at it. Will become white, written in it, subscribe it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now guys, let's go to see our indicators with the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys. If you remember us, we used to be here. We tell you it's going to do the same thing like that. Now what it's showing here? Look at it. What it's showing here? It came here. Now it's showing. Is it sideways? My view to it is going to come down till here. It will touch that trend line. Then after that, it will continue upward, guys. Remember that. Picture is too clear, guys. But one thing, guys. All that is an analysis for a reverse. Us, we're reversing from that bottom, guys. But us, where we still in, guys? Us, we still in a downtrend. And the bear here we're controlling. There is no bulls. No matter how long we're taking down here, the bears will control it. And here in the top we got that long term downtrend. Oh, that one also being followed from 2021, the downtrend. And the Bitcoin it used to touch it, then it falls down. And what did I tell you in the previous videos, guys, here about that level here? The one here. What did I told you about it? I told you also we buy Bitcoin from here, and when it fall down to 15K, we buy some of the Bitcoin like that. From that 2 levels, me I remember them very, very, very well, because me I enter in them. When that one it will touch here, that level here, we will sell what it equal our investment, guys, from that level here and that one here. Let's say you buy from here $100 and you buy from here $100. So how much Bitcoin you got? $200. You got $200 worth of Bitcoin, or that the capital you invest. If the Bitcoin came till here, that without leverage, just spot, guys, Bitcoin when it's going to touch the trend line here, also we will sell in what it's worth. $200. Remember that. Also, we're going to sell what it's worth, $200. And we're going to left with some Bitcoin, guys. Why we're going to sell here in that level? To free our capital. If the Bitcoin continues going upward, fair enough. If the Bitcoin fall down again to the oversold area, we got our capital free and we got capital to buy more. Picture is too clear, guys. By the way, the trading strategy or that money management me I'm telling to you, it's very, very, very well explained in our Bitcoin investment course. The course is in the first comment. If you're using the coupon link down, you're going to get a discount of 85%. The course, it will not cost you that much. It's only $13, guys. It's the price of a cup of coffee. And believe me, that course is better than millions of courses in the web, guys. Picture is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. People, they begin with us. Also, we enter from here. Yes or no? And over here, I told you protect yourself. That just for swing trading, that not for investment. Over here, I told you protect yourself. Yes or no? Now, what the Bitcoin doing here? Look at it. And what did I told you here about the 4 hours, guys? In the last video, you can find it. I told you like that. We got here a up channel like that. I told you if that one came and breaking down here, we need to enter short. Yes or no? I'll tell you all those things. And I'll tell you something else here. The same like how it happened here. We used to have here a flag. Same thing it's happening here, guys. We're going to get here a flag like that. Then also we're going to bring that one and we're going to make it like that. Like that is going to happen, guys. Why? Me, I believe it like that. Because we got here a hidden divergence like that. I'll show it to you and I'm going to show it to you in that video. We got a hidden divergence here, guys, and I explained to you the difference between normal divergence or regular divergence or classic divergence and hidden divergence, guys. A classic divergence where it happened here, we tell you the Bitcoin is going to reverse, and that's what happened. A hidden divergence when it happened here, it's indicating, guys, the market is going to go more higher. It's the opposite of the classic divergence, guys. But where should we enter us long? For the people they haven't entered with us from here, where should you enter long? Look with me. You came to that level here, that last peak here. If that one came and break in here, you enter long again, guys. Picture is very, 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 very clear, guys. And here, what else we got? Let me show you my chart. You see it or no? We got here that white one, that long-term trend, guys. It's being broken again here, as you see it. Now, me personally, I think the Bitcoin will go till here, till 17,632, guys. Then after that, maybe we're going to drop, maybe we're going to go higher. No one know exactly at that time. Then that time, we're going to analyze for you what's going to happen, guys. Also, we analyze this moment for you. Picture is very, very simple, guys. But something very important. Look at the Bitcoin, what it's doing here. High, low, high. Now it needs to give you another low, guys. And me personally, I think we are going to fall down a little bit, maybe till here. Then after that, we're going to go higher, guys. Because that's how the trend it's working, guys. Picture is very clear. Now let's go into analyze for you our indicators, guys. What the same for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, when we be in here, that just 2 days, I think, we tell you protect yourself. Here at that level, you can even go back and watch the other videos. You're going to find it there. Now, look where we are. We are very close to that uptrend we have, or that trend of the divergence we have. And another thing, let me show it to you. Look here with me, guys. Look from that place here to that one here. What you see? You see it now? Look with me. We try to bring a line like that here in that indicator, and here in the chart, what it indicating to you? That a hidden divergence, guys. That's what me I told you. If it came and breaking the top here, you enter long, because that one, it's indicating the market is still going upward, guys. That hidden divergence, guys, also we got here, it's indicating the market will go upward more. It will go till the overbought area, guys. Picture is very, 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 very simple, guys. Now let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. For picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, also we enter from here when we used to be here at the oversold area. I think last week. We be in here now. We are here at the overbought area. I told you protect yourself. because that one is just an oscillator. It doesn't mean when it's entered the overbought or oversold, you need to sell, you need to buy. That one just an oscillator. Also, we need a price action to indicate for us the market is going to reverse. Where is the price action? Look with me. That one. That uptrend here. If it came and break it here, you enter short, guys. Remember that. If it came and break it down, you enter short. Why? Because here our indicator is at the overbought area. Second thing, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it. Third thing, we got a price action, and if it's being broken down, we will enter short, guys. Everything is too clear. By the way, did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Pause the video now, smashing the like button. Yes, you. Pause the video, smashing the like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up, so please support us. Also, we're doing very hard job to putting those videos for you every day. So we don't ask you for nothing. We just ask you to smash the like button, to write down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity there, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, also we enter a short position from here. Exactly from here, guys. From that level here. From that break will happen here in that zone. The Bitcoin, it came up till here. Where me I told you to put the stop loss. I told you to put it here in the top of that one. And where I told you to put the take profit here. Yes or no? Look what's happening now. Now you are in profit, guys. Yes or no? That's the power of our analysis, guys. In Saturday and Sunday, you make money with us. Now, what the view for that one, guys? What the view for our analysis here? Let me show you our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is it here at the oversold area. So the people, they enter from here is the right time to take profit. Yes or no? You don't make that much, but you are in profit. You are not losing. Why should you take profit here? Or to take some of the profit and to move stop loss down? Why? Because look with me here and here. What you got? You got a triangle there, guys. Yes or no? Second thing, what is it? Our indicator is it here at the oversold area, guys. So it's the right time for you to take profit and to looking for buy opportunity. Where is the price action for buy opportunity? Is that one here. If it came a candle and break up, you enter long, guys. Our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, let's see it. That one here, also we enter short because we used to have here in that place a divergence like that. Yes or no? Now what that one showing here? It came down, it touched here that level. Now it's showing there a rejection, guys. It might down is going to fall down more till it's going to enter the oversold area. But for people they enter with a short, protect yourself. Protect yourself. You don't know. There is no trust in that market. And for you to trade scalping, you need to know what you're doing. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the time of European market close. Bye for now, guys.